All right, just a little heads up. I did the sick-ass racing key delete on the bike, so even though I still have the ignition here, it's unplugged, and I don't need a key to start the bike. But I just tucked that in here. What I really wanted to show you guys was I added a hidden kill switch right here. I know it's a little dark, but I just got it wired up. So here's the front of the bike where all the wiring harnesses are at, and I got the other end, here's a white wire, hooked up to this terminal right here. And this was a loose terminal, it wasn't attached to nothing. But if you take this terminal and you ground it out, the bike shuts off. So I bought this bike used, and I don't know which wire this is, but every loose terminal that I had, I just kept trying to ground it out when the bike was on. And when I ground this one out, the bike turned off. And I got that idea from Taco Mike at Takomoto in one of his videos for keyless delete. So I hooked that up, ran the wire under the tank. Here's the wire right here into the switch. Now let me show you the switch. The switch is right there, on and off. Let me demonstrate. Right now it's off. Let's get the fuel pump going. Start the bike. Flip the switch on. The bike shuts off. Now if you try to start the bike with the switch on, it bypasses the quick kill switch up here, and you can't start the bike. Flip that off. Bike fires up.